Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at Pearl Milling Company. Pearl Milling Company is actually a company that makes awesome pancake mix and awesome syrup. You could see it. It was formerly Aunt Jemima. That's what it used to be. So yeah, here's the bottle. Pause if you want to look at it. You can see it's 710 milliliters. And here's the back of the bottle. And here's the picture of the farm. See? So yeah, it's pretty cool. And here's one side of the bottle. Here's the other side of the bottle. Originally, when this company started, the original owner for this was from St. Joseph's, Missouri. And then they sold it to another company. And then in 1914, their company changed their names to Aunt Jemima. And then I believe this year, 2022, I think it's been changed again to Pearl Milling Company. The farm Pearl Milling Company is actually a pretty nice image. And good thing, the syrup and the pancake mix still taste the same, but it's not a racist brand anymore. So yeah, that's why they changed it to this. And we're just gonna get a close-up look at the nutrition facts. Thing focus. Sorry, this thing won't focus. Oh, there we go. Now it's focusing. I'll move the camera slowly so you can read. Okay, so that's the nutrition facts. I think I noticed that there are other flavors of this syrup. I think there's an original and a butter flavor. This one is the white syrup. It shows original syrup, but Mom said this one is the white syrup. So yeah, here's the image of the picture. So yeah, that's the bottle of Pearl Milling Company syrup. Oh wait, here's the image of the pancakes, and I'll let you read this. Wait, let me zoom in so you can see. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That right there shows since 1889. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you back tomorrow, and I'll make a video of trying some syrup on these pancakes. By the way, in the fridge, there's actually already a bottle of the original syrup, Pearl Milling Company. And I might show that one because I'm going to finish that one up before moving on to this one. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.